The Bitcoin Rainbow Chart is a long-term valuation tool used for Bitcoin, so it uses a logarithmic growth curve to forecast the potential future price of Bitcoin. Additionally, it uses rainbow color bands to highlight market sentiment at different rainbow color stages as prices move through them. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. First of all, we got a news and updates that 10 billion of volume in the first 3 days for the Bitcoin ETF is huge. Any guesses for how long it takes to reach 1 trillion? Probably while most of that volume is a GBTC selling off man. So yeah, all I'm going to say is huge, but it's still just the start as they are preparing for way more stuff to happen with the Bitcoin ETF. Fidelity now holds 9,750 Bitcoin for clients and BlackRock holds 12,000. This Bitcoin that will never be sold again. Manipulating Bitcoin's price downward isn't worth it to large financial institutions because pushing it up will be a lot more profitable. Why short Bitcoin, make 10-20% and face potentially unlimited losses in case a large player starts buying. Bitcoin's rainbow chart defines price range of Bitcoin in the color bands. So Bitcoin rainbow chart is a long-term valuation tool used for Bitcoin. Using the logarithmic charts and color bands, it highlights potential opportunities to buy or sell Bitcoin. However, these charts are only recommended to be used for educational and entertainment purposes, and no trade advice is guaranteed using these charts. Moreover, there is no evidence of past performance fitting within the rainbow channel continuing to fit into the future. Until data, Bitcoin price have remained within the color bands of the logarithmic growth of channel. Basics of Bitcoin rainbow chart. Different colors of bands from the form of an indication of whether the price are consistently undervalued or overvalued. A logarithmic chart is used instead of linear chart to support a better visualization of Bitcoin's long-term growth trajectory. The lighter colors indicate a buying zone and darker colors represent a selling trajectory. It is a vibrant tool to offer insights into the price trend. Implications of various color bands. Dark red in this trajectory, Bitcoin prices are extremely overextended and Bitcoin prices are likely to drop after this. Red is a trajectory, Bitcoin is overbought and traders should consider booking profits. Dark red and red are collectively known as the maximum bubble territory as prices are exaggerated in this territory. Dark orange. This zone buyers are dominating the market and other traders might feel fear of the missing out on the available opportunity. Light orange in this zone, the markets are considered to be balanced for Bitcoin as dark orange and the light orange collectively answer the question, is this a bubble, as they form a transitional trajectory. Yellow, in this price trajectory, investors are expected to hold their Bitcoin holdings for an extended period of time, as yellow is often referred to as a hodl territory as it does not signify any of the upcoming directions. Light green, on a trajectory, investors can invest and enter the Bitcoin market. Green, it is considered to be the good spot for accumulating a Bitcoin position for an extended period. The light green and green bands are collectively referred to as still cheap, so investors can still make the buying decision in this territory. Light blue, it is very good buying opportunity for Bitcoin. It is commonly referred to as the buy trajectory. Blue, in this trajectory, Bitcoin prices are highly undervalued and it is referred to as basically a fire sale. This trajectory is rarely achieved, however, if it occurs, it is a prime opportunity for investors to buy. History of rainbow chart. A user named Tralala introduced the Bitcoin rainbow chart in 2014 using logarithmic regression, and it was first made public on the popular forum Bitcoin Talk. After this, Bitcoin community members approved it. Eventually, the community started referring to it as a rainbow chart, and also it is actually related to Bitcoin halving. As Bitcoin halving, the dates are marked on the rainbow chart because the Bitcoin prices were on lower trajectory at the time of halving. Then proceeds to the upper band within the halving cycle of 4 years, and it will be quite interesting to see if the chart follows the same trend during the next halving. The precious of Bitcoin rainbow chart. The accuracy of the Bitcoin rainbow chart is constrained by its dependence on historical prices and assumptions made by the creators, so the chart correctly offers a colorful and straightforward depiction of Bitcoin's price. However, it fails to consider external influences like regulatory shifts or major global economic events. Its popularity among the cryptex community is more attributable to its meme-like appearances than to its use as a definitive analytical tool for serious investment decisions. And the chart is perceived as a more general and playful overview of price movements in place of a precise or comprehensive market analysis tool. In summary, we got this rainbow chart employs a horizon of colorful bands, each of which refers to the different price ranges. However, these price bands are arbitrary and do not fully replicate the current price trends. Hence, do not suggest accurate future price projections, and it is a visually engaging tool to understand the price movement in Bitcoin. However, it offers a simplified view and not an in-depth analysis, and its color bands provide a general perspective on the ongoing price range and market trends. This tool is accessible but not a definitive guide to Bitcoin valuation. This is all the information we got on the Bitcoin today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.